Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a digital thermostat. First, turn off power at the breaker and confirm with a voltage tester. Next, compare your system to the thermostat wiring diagram and label each wire. Carefully remove the old thermostat, photograph its wiring, and mount the new base using anchors if needed. Finally, attach labeled wires to corresponding terminals and restore power to test system operation and settings. Start by turning power off and handling wires gently. Identify R, C, W, Y, and G using labels and a multimeter. Photograph connections before removing the old thermostat to preserve terminal mapping. If your system lacks a C wire, decide between running a new wire, using an adapter, or choosing a compatible thermostat that works without C. Finally, secure each wire under the correct terminal screw to ensure reliable operation. Mount the new thermostat base level and feed labeled wires through the center hole. Strip about 3/8 inch of insulation and tighten each wire under the correct terminal screw. Reattach the thermostat display and restore power at the breaker. Follow the on-screen setup to choose system type, test heating and cooling, and connect to Wi-Fi for smart features. Confirm the thermostat cycles the furnace and AC correctly before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.